Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today's video will be an easy 8-minute homemade cornstarch gravy. Today I was talking to my good friend Tasha and we were talking about Thanksgiving and what we're going to do, and she was looking for an alternative to making gravy without using flour. And as we were talking on the phone, I said, let's try this. I've never done this myself, and so this is what I came up with today. Now, both lighter and darker gravy had the same ingredients and were pretty much made the same way. The gravy that I made earlier when I was talking to Tasha was the lighter color gravy. And so what I did with that gravy was I went ahead and did my 2 tablespoons of butter and my 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, but I layered each tablespoon in until it was well incorporated. After adding the liquids, then I added all the seasonings and it tasted delicious. As you will see with this one, I browned the butter first, since Tasha was discussing how she really enjoys that taste and that is something that she looks forward to. And I thought, let me try this and see how well this will taste. So after talking to her, I went back to the kitchen and tried browning the butter to see if there was a different taste. And honestly, at the end of the day, it comes down to preference. It certainly did give it the nutty taste by cooking the butter and the cornstarch together with the seasonings. It just really made it a more well-developed flavor. And then again, follow the steps of adding in the chicken stock and the cream, and the textures both came beautifully together. Usually when I make my Thanksgiving gravy, I do put fresh herbs into it and also use some of the juice from the turkey, and I also use flour. But this year it's just going to be us, and I already got everybody's approval. I already froze these and probably going to just go ahead and use it for Thanksgiving. Feel free to add any herbs after the gravy comes together. Make this your own. I just wanted to share an easy idea, an easy way to make gravy, to be less stressed, so that you can enjoy the people around you. And if you're doing quarantine, so that you can just get dinner done, maybe take a nap, and enjoy your day without all the fuss. Now, when I was experimenting and came up with this recipe, it took me about 15 minutes to come up with everything. But the second time around, when I knew everything that I wanted to use, this gravy literally came in under about 8 minutes. So that's pretty easy. So you'll see here, this is the gravy from earlier. I let it cool down and you can see the consistency is pretty thick, but once you slowly warm it up, it will be right back to that consistency. Very luscious, very shiny, very smooth consistency. Now, if you learned something new today or something helpful, go ahead and press that share button. It will help my channel grow, and it will also help someone from having a disastrous Thanksgiving. I hope everyone has a very safe and happy Thanksgiving.